Alright, we're going to make a quick chickpea salad, and for the sake of time I have prepped everything and chopped everything, so basically you're just going to be watching how to put it together. First you want to get your chickpeas, and these are just some canned chickpeas. I've thoroughly rinsed them and put them in your bowl. And then you want to get some cherry tomatoes, and I got these fresh out of my neighbor's garden. They told me to come and pick as many as I want, so that's what I did. And nothing says love like a homegrown tomato, so gotta love a fresh tomato. And then you want to add some fresh white onion, and then we have some parsley. Parsley is so good for you. It's good for your blood. It's just, people just think that it's garnish, but it is just an awesome herb. And then we got some black olives. I'm not going to put all these in there, just a few. And now we're going to get over to seasoning. So of course we want to do some salt, light salt, and I've got some sea salt here. I've got some black pepper, and you want to salt and pepper to taste. And I've got this ready-made minced garlic, which is a lifesaver, whether you're making something like this, which is going to be eaten as is, or if you're cooking. It just saves so much time. So I'm just going to put a half a teaspoon in there, because it can be a little strong, so I don't want to overpower it. And the fact that I have onions in there, I don't want it to be too overly powered with an onion and garlic flavor. And then you want to add your olive oil, just like that, just a little. We're going to mix this together. And now on the tail end you want to add some white wine vinegar. You don't have to add too much of that because you're going to have some juice coming from the tomatoes. So that's going to be really awesome. And now to serve, you can get a bed of spinach and just put that on top like that. And you have a wonderful, healthy meal.